Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G60s, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now you need to select display over here and tap on styles. Then swipe to the right and click on this plus icon. Now pick one of those font styles by tapping on the best one for you and select next after each step. Then name your font style. I will go with font 56 and tap on done. Then select apply, and as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back into the default one, just tap on Moto theme and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!